Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Member of Parliament for Manchester Central, Rhoda Moy Crawford, has reacted to the recent spate of robberies in the parish. As Sandy Williams reports, there have been at least 4 reported cases this week.
On Tuesday, armed thieves targeted a Texaco service station in Knockpatrick, Manchester. Customers, vendors and workers of the establishment were robbed of their cash and other items.
I sell signs, stickers for vehicle and all of that. So I was standing there. I saw 2 of the pump attendants outside. I just saw a guy just step down with a kerchief over his mouth. And when him come down, him pointing the gun at one of the girl, and then he pointed at the other girl and pointed at me. And say, give me the money, give me the money, give me the money, and dig up the girl. I was standing there, so he come over there and said to me, say, give me the phone where you have any money. And I say, yeah man, you can have them, man, you have them all.
No one was hurt in the incident. However, a licensed firearm holder was shot and injured after he challenged a group of robbers who went on a robbery spree in Cross Keys Wednesday afternoon. One of the robbers was also shot and 2 of them caught by an anti-robbery task force that was activated on the weekend. Still, by Friday, hoodlums again targeted a Cool Oasis gas station, this time in Christiana. And later the same day, a supermarket in Porus, where 5 persons were shot, 2 fatally. Member of Parliament for Manchester Central, Rhoda Moy Crawford, says she is extremely concerned about the spate of robberies and shootings,
especially those that have amounted to fatalities of innocent residents. I mourn with the victims and their families. It is very heartbreaking and frightening. No law-abiding Manchesterian, none of us want to see Manchester become a hotspot for criminal activities.
Shortly after Friday's fatal shootings, the police captured 4 men believed to be involved in both robberies. The men were traveling in a Toyota Mark X motorcar when police intercepted them in Williamsfield. An AK-47 rifle, 2 handguns, several rounds of ammunition and a ballistic vest were seized.
I give my full support to the lawmen. I thank them for the sacrifice of putting their own lives at risk to keep us safe. I want to thank residents who have gone forward to share what they know with the police. We must not provide any safe havens for criminals, and the criminals must know this.
In the meantime, Ms. Crawford is pleading with residents to be cautious.
I am appealing to my constituents and residents of the wider Manchester to stay as calm as they can, to keep as safe as they can, and for us to continue to join hands with the security forces as we continue to battle the crime monster that is plaguing our parish and country.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.